What can birds do?
My name is Adam Sensei. Good afternoon. How are you all? I hope you're doing well. We have some new vocabulary for this lesson, so I'm going to read them and then you can repeat after me. Vocabulary. First one is quiet, quiet, noisy, noisy, excited, excited, bored, bored, surprised, surprised, scared, scared, busy, busy, sick, sick, colourful, colourful. Now, important to note here, if you are reading something that was written by an American person, then they might write it like this, without the U, but it's both pronounced colourful. Round, round. That's the final word of our vocabulary. Practice this until you feel comfortable. So now that we've looked at some vocabulary, we're going to look at different things that animals can do. Starting with birds. What can birds do? What can birds do? Birds can do, they can do lots of things. Birds can fly, or birds can sing. Those are some things that birds can do. What can birds do? Birds can fly. What can birds do? Birds can fly. What can fish do? What can fish do? Fish can do, they're best known for being able to swim. Fish can swim. What can fish do? Fish can swim. What can fish do? Fish can swim. What can elephants do? What can elephants do? Elephants they can do lots of things as well, but they're maybe best known for trumpeting. They can trumpet. Elephants can trumpet. That's like the musical instrument, the trumpet. It's when they swing their trunks up and make a lovely loud noise. And that's what elephants can do. What can elephants do? Elephants can trumpet. What can elephants do? Elephants can trumpet. And the last one here, what can monkeys do? What can monkeys do? Monkeys can do lots of things, but what they're best known for is climbing. Monkeys can climb. What can monkeys do? Monkeys can climb. What can monkeys do? Monkeys can climb. So, very good. We now have a little worksheet to do. Start with what can birds do? That's the name of the worksheet. We start with our name, as always. So for me, that's Adam Sensei, but of course put your name in there at the top. So, question 1, what can birds do? We have 2 words already here. Go over them in a pen or pencil, and then say a word that birds can do. So birds can something. And then we have just birds, and we need to fill in 2 words. Birds, We have the same thing with elephants. What can elephants do? Elephants can Number 3, same with monkeys, but we have 2 missing spots here. What can monkeys do? Monkeys, trees. We have to fill that in. Number 4, what can fish do? And here we don't have any words given to us. We need 3 words to say what fish can do. Okay, that's the end of the lesson, everybody. Hope you found it interesting. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later, alligator.